Good afternoon, class. Today we are going to learn about the volume. Class, the space occupied by any 3D object is known as volume. The unit of volume is unit cube or cubic unit. Class, we can say that centimeter cube or cubic centimeter, meter cube or cubic meter. We can say some other units. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter, 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 upon 1000 liter, 1 meter cube equals to 10 lakh centimeter cube, 1 liter equal to 1000 ml, 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 milliliter. Come to the next. There are some formulae. Class, as you can see here, there are three figures: cuboid, cube and cylinder. So we'll learn the volume of cuboid, lateral surface area of cuboid, total surface area of cuboid. So class, volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Class, surface area you learn about in the chapter number 14. So the lateral surface area, class, the surface area of four walls of cuboid is 2 into height bracket length plus breadth. Now the total surface area of cuboid 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Now come to the cube. Class, volume of cube, side cube or A cube. The lateral surface area of cube. Lateral surface area of cube, again the area of four walls of a cube excepted top or base. So lateral surface area of cube is 4a square. Total surface area of cube is 6a square. Come to the cylinder. So the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. CSA of cylinder. Class, CSA and LSA both are the same thing. So the LSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Total surface area of cylinder means curved surface area plus top and base. So it will be the total surfaces. Class, now come to the hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder means just like a pipe, plastic pipe or iron pipe or metallic pipe, any metallic pipe. So the volume of the metal of hollow cylinder is pi h bracket capital R plus small r bracket capital R minus small r. Capital R is the external diameter, small r is the internal diameter. Total surface area of hollow cylinder is 2 pi bracket capital R plus small r bracket height plus capital R minus small r. Capital R is the external diameters and small r is the internal diameter. Now class, come to the next 15.1 question number 2. Class, the dimensions of rectangular water tank are 2 meter 20 centimeter by 1 meter 85 centimeter by 1 meter 10 centimeter. Find the volume of the water tank. Class, as you can see here, this is the length, this is the breadth and this will be the height. Class, meter or centimeter given hai, but first of all we'll make the unit same. So 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, so 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So the 20 centimeter is 0.2 meter, 85 centimeter is 0.85 meter, 10 centimeter equal to 0.10 meter. So the length is 2.2 meter, breadth is 1.85 meter, height is 1.10 meter. So the volume of tank is, class, as you can see here, there is a rectangular water tank. Rectangular water tank means cuboidal shape water tank, and the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Put the value of length, breadth and height, and this will be the volume, 4.477 meter cube. Come to the question number 10, 15.1. Class, a circular well is dug if its diameter is 120 centimeter, its depth is 950 centimeter. What is the volume of the mud removed to make the well? Class, एक सर्कुलर वेल है, उसके अंदर से जो है मड को रिमूव किया गया है वेल बनाने के लिए. तो हमें जो भी मड रिमूव किया गया उसका वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है. सो द वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर विल बी it will be equal to the volume of mud. So first of all we'll find the volume of cylinder. It is pi r square h. Put the value of pi r h and we can get the answer 10748571.4 centimeter cube. It is correct class. If we want to find in meter, so 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 upon 10 lakh meter cube. So we'll divide this by 10 lakh, so it will be 10.75 meter cube. This will be the volume of mud removed to make the well. Now come to the 15.2 question number 3. Surface area of cube is given. Find the volume of the cube. Class surface area. If the surface area simple ऐसे लिखा, it means total surface area of cube equal to 6a square. 6 से डिवाइड किया, इसको इधर डिनोमिनेटर में गया, it will be 225. ये स्क्वायर इधर रूट में गया, it will be 15 centimeter. The side of the cube is 15 centimeter. The volume of cube is cube of 15, that is 3375 centimeter cube. This will be the volume of cube. 15.2 question number 6. Volume of cylinder is this and height is this. Find the LSA and TSA. Class, LSA means lateral surface area, TSA means total surface area. First of all we'll find the radius by using the formula volume of cylinder. It is pi r square h. After solving this, the radius will be 30. Radius हमको पता चल गया. So the lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Class, put the value of pi r h. The LSA of cylinder is 2640. Now we have to find the TSA of cylinder. It is 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Put the value of pi h r. The TSA is 8291.14 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of cylinder. 15.3 question number 6. The external and internal diameters of the cylindrical copper pipe are this and this. Class, external और internal diameter हैं cylindrical copper pipe की 12 और 10. So the internal and external radius are, external radius 6 centimeter, internal radius 5 centimeter, and the length of pipe is 15 centimeter. So h is 15. Find the volume of material used to make the pipe. So class, volume of material used to making the pipe is pi h bracket capital R plus small r, capital R small minus small r. So put the value of capital R, small r and h and pi. After the calculation it will be 1518.57 centimeter cube. Class, now the total surface area of hollow pipe. Total surface area formula will apply. Put the value of pi capital R, small r, h. So the after the calculation the value will be 1106.28 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of hollow pipe. Class, come to the run through question number 10. Find the area of a tin sheet required to make the cylindrical container with its lids. If the radius of the base is this, height is this, find the volume of the container. Class, a tin sheet से हमें एक सिलेंडर बनाना है एंड जो बोथ एंड्स हैं, दोनों एंड, दे आर कवर्ड विद इट्स लिड्स, जो मतलब बंद हैं वो सिलेंडर से. तो टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर इज 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Put the value of pi r and h. So the total surface area is 6468 centimeter square. Now the volume of container pi r square h. Put the value of pi r h. That is 38808 centimeter cube. This is the volume of container. Now question number 16 class. A steel pipe is 35 centimeter long. Its external diameter is 10 centimeter. Thickness is 2 centimeter. Steel weight is 6 gram per centimeter cube. Find the weight of pipe. Class, height is 35 centimeter. Capital R. External radius is 5. Internal radius is 5 minus 2. 2 is the thickness of pipe. So 5 minus 2 is 3 centimeter. Weight of steel is this. So class, volume of metal of hollow cylinder is pi h bracket capital R plus small r bracket capital R minus 1. Put the value of pi h capital R and small r. So this will be the volume of metal of hollow cylinder. Now the weight of the pipe. Class, वॉल्यूम में 6 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, देन वी कैन गेट द वेट ऑफ पाइप विच इज़ 10.560 kg।